There he is, boys.
Coming into the pits. Had to do a quick check over after the jump over the ditch.
She's fine.
Doing all right.
She's great. Get off me, bug.
Pretty nice day down here at Elowe Speedway.
Stop on down, get your tickets.
We need some more competition down here. That's a cam you're hearing. Need your helmets at Elowe Speedway. Safety first.
Oh, I got that.
She's up.
She's up. Here we go, boys. Elowe Speedway.
Matt.
Matt. Yeah, here we go. Come on, do something. You Chuck. Come on, Elowe. Elowe Speedway! So yeah, 12 horsepower, poured out to a 20 horse, shaved head, raised the motor up with some